is a device that conveys meaning or an idea in a visual form. Symbols are unique and mysterious in a way. Swastik is a sign of prosperity and good fortune according to the Hindu, Buddhist and Jain theology. India is known for her unique water conservation structures, and Tamil Nadu is famous for its temples and celebration of the arts. This Swastik step well and the ancient temple is just an excellent example for this. Myself, RK is here to take you to the artistically made temple and the Swastik well. Thiruvallarai is a calm village located 20 km from the Trichy bus stand. It takes only 35 minutes to reach the serene village. The way to the destination is greenish, making the ride entirely peaceful. The bus facility to the temple is frequently available between Trichy and Thurayur. This massive entrance will lead you to the temple, which is at least 2 km in distance. One of the oldest man-made structures in the world, Pundarikakshan temple would fascinate anyone who enters the village. The Swastik well is located on the right side of the temple. It's a walkable distance and one has to walk for 5 minutes to reach the well. It is protected by Tamil Nadu State Department of Archaeology and is renovated recently. The sun's motion is said to be captured along its axis, that is why the Swastik is an auspicious sign of prosperity. This well is built by Kamban Arayan in Pallava kingdom. It was established during the Pallava rule of Tantivarman. Kamban Arayan named it as Marpidagu Kinaru, and so it is popularly called as Marpidagu Great Well. On the east side wall, the stone blocks has two Tamil inscriptions. One is in the form of text and the other is in the form of poem. The text explains more about the well and the poem conveys the unstableness of this world. The peculiar feature of the well is that it enjoys a multi-directional entry. Each wing of the Swastik has 51 descending steps leading to the water. It ensures privacy for those taking bath in the four enclosures. Hence, local people call it as mother-in-law, daughter-in-law tank, since when taking bath, both of them would not be visible to each other. There are statues of Nandi and Nagas found around the well. This astonishing Swastik well is yet to be recognized by the people. Thiruvallarai is a most ancient temple. It is the fourth among the 108 Divya Desams. There is a huge and incomplete Rajagopuram with a flight of steps, and it is enclosed by huge walls. The temple is believed to be much older than Srirangam, the first Divya Desam, with work carried on by multiple rulers. This mega structure is by itself a forgotten masterpiece. There are stone-built rooms at the outer corridor, and any sound produced around here will be echoed. The temple was built on a whitish rocky hillock which is over 50 feet high from the ground level. It is believed that this temple was raised by the Pallava king during later part of 8th century AD. Besides, there is also rock-cut cave temples excavated on a granite mound and a huge banyan tree. As per legends, this is the cave where Markandeyan and Tayar Mahalakshmi performed penance. A small well is present inside the temple and the water from this well is used for the rituals. The ambience of this temple is really tranquil and the sound of birds resonates around the temple. The temple is very close to nature with lots of birds chirping around. Peacocks of beautiful feathers can be found roaming around the temple. The unique architecture of this place, surrounded by trees, gives an inner peace to the people who come. Once people enter this temple, they don't like to leave because this place is such a beautiful work of the kings from the past. This enormous temple is an inspiring architectural lesson for the future and is one of the best places to visit with family and friends. I end this video with the hope that this unique temple will get enough recognition from people around the world.